Good afternoon. Say good evening. Let's see. Uh, I'm going to go through the FNO stocks, and I'm also going to go through some different time frame parameters. And I'm going to use a very simple method. I'm going to put in a moving average cross also. So in order to understand that the system works over here. So I'm going to use 20 by 2, let's say we are going to use a 50, 20 by 50, that's okay. And what we do is we put a 20 in a blue one, and 50 we will put a red, and we'll go with the this thing. Two moving average, one is 50 weeks, one is 20 weeks. Now what's interesting is that, let's see, so let's go to the first ABB, brown barrow. Now the brown barrow is getting rejected at 50. It is very likely it is getting rejected at 50. Now the pattern now listen me, you don't have to fast forward this if you are not interested, because I'm going to give you the explanation what I look as in a pattern. And if you know what I'm saying as in a pattern, then you must understand this pattern works perfectly. Okay, so let's see, it has made a, it has made a B, now it is going for a C. Will it be a little more? 6319 can be possible. This is a 2 week candlestick. Okay, so the second thing you want to see always is that you go to the volume. Now see the volume over here, see the volume on this. When 20 weeks, based on 2 week, each candle is 2 week performance, right? So based on 20 weeks, this is the money you're looking for this. So you can use tools, what tools you have. Okay, that it's purely money here. This is the money, 15%. 15% is not a small thing. So go back to the regular candle, look into it, and next we have Adani Green. Now Adani Green is rotating here in the horizontal way. Now it has made a new low here. So our expectation is this: once this is breaks, it goes to 1,300, somewhere 1,300 rupees. 1 second, let me get this very clearly. So 1,358. Once it hits the 1,358, you better to start trailing the stop. It can go to fill this gap up to 1,973. Okay, that's how it is. That's how powerful it is. Now this one, Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise, we need one more momentum like this. So from here, expect Adani momentum to come up to 2,400. It's a bearish side. Again, we are going to look for one more low. So Adani Enterprise, short term, yes, you are looking for 24. Excuse me. Adani Green, it's a bullish this thing. It once it hits the 1194, it is heading towards 1194. Once see, it made A B C, it made A B C. Now it is A B C D E. Once it hits the 1500, you put your stop in profits and see whether it goes continue to go up to 2000, or whether it is continue to, or it will come down. So that is what you have to see. Now Adani Ports in the other way, it has made a it has made a B, and we are probably looking for a C. There is a divergence between these two peaks, and there is a huge rejection. So what you are going to do now, any break below this, is your sell setup. Now let me understand. Let me explain this. Now below breakup this is a sell setup, so it has not broken. So what it is doing? It is preparing to break down. You can go to the lower the time frame. You can see it is above the 50 period and 20 period. So let the price move up for a while. Once it makes a impulse, then you will get a B, C correction or one more extended correction. Then you can look for selling short. From this level, your stop will be very small and your take profit will be very very big. So what are we talking about the take profit today? So take profit for instance will be somewhere here. So the take profit basically suggests you are looking for an almost, say for example, if you are looking for that, you're almost looking for a 27% down move, 395 points. And what are the lot size in Adani ports? You already know, 475. 475, 400 points is a big money. We roll over every 15th. We roll over from March to April to May like this. So you can roll over according to your own method. But this is a setup where it is waiting. So next, now this list is alphabetical. Now Aditya Birla Capital, it is planning to go up. There is no divergence. So it is planning to go upside and we are looking for one more sharp move up. Probably this 438 we are looking. Now if you want to buy it, you have to go for the daily. Daily it is below 20 period, below 50 period. So you need to go for the 75. 75 it has come above 50. But what I say is that let it cross this one. Let it cross this. Then let it give a zigzag. Buy on this pattern. You are going to go for somewhere at 320. If you buy, you have a time, 100 points. This might go and make one more high, that's all. Okay, so yeah, this we will wait for this. Ambuja I am looking an upside momentum. Okay, so why do I say that? This is a sharp move and this is also in a sharp move which is in the split. So Ambuja we call it as an expansion and it's going to go up. Okay, so cements, yes, cements are preparing to go up. You need to wait for this histogram to reduce. Wait for that, then you can look for buying opportunity in the Ambuja. Until that you wait. I'm not sure this will go up. Angel one will go up to this one, 329. After that I'm not sure. I think couple of weeks back I had put this in a couple of weeks back I had put this in a Twitter that it's going up. Okay, I'm sorry for that. This one we need 2 weeks. 1 second, we'll go with the 2 weeks. Okay, not weekly, bi-weekly. Okay, so this may go up one more time. There is no divergence in this as such, and recently they have given a dividend, so it may go up one more time. And we, as a pattern, we call it as a sharp move. This is also sharp move, and this is a hanky. So we call it as an ABC as a running flat. You need one more upside. 2600 is likely coming. So for that you need to wait for this. You can wait for this to close above 50 or on the 75-minute. Yes, wait for this. Don't go. Don't go simply. It may come down for one more sharp move. This is in chaos. Leave it. Ashok Leyland is a done deal. Done deal in the sense we were somewhere in 220 at somewhere at 30 rupees we were inside, and unfortunately we booked at 120, 130. Yeah, 100 points we booked. After that we didn't book. We didn't enter. Yes, it is also true. We ignored it. So this is going for one more high, Asian Paints. But you need to wait for it. Just don't jump. Then Axis Bank. Axis Bank is in critical condition. I'm not sure it's going to go up. I'm looking at Axis Bank to go down by 927 towards 927. This is making a pattern here which is called as a flat pattern. In this flat pattern we have A, 1, 2, 3, B, and we are looking for one more C. So once this flat pattern comes at somewhere at 10,000, we are looking for one more sharp move. This move is coming here. So if you are holding, take an exit. We will say this, Bajaj Finance. This will likely make one more move, but not sure. Do not enter in this right now. Bank of Baroda. Camps, it will go a short term move like this. It has made A, B, and C. Once it completes, then it will come for one more move. This is a sharp move, so you are getting one more sharp move. You get this? If you get this, you are making progress. Cipla, yes, you need to wait for at least 1 month for reversal. Coal is, you see this sharp move, it is coming. Coal prices will come down. Coforge has completed its one of its pattern. It's A, B, and C. It has completed. We need to wait for proper. Yes, excuse me. Yes, this is a right entry. If you willing to make, if you are willing to make, this is exactly a right entry. And how I tell you that it is right entry is that you see this red bar on the histogram. Then after that red bar, the red basically indicates is a deepest momentum, but the price did not go. Then you have a third bar. After that you have 1, 2, 3. The third bar. Above this third bar, if there is a fractal and the price close above the fractal, it's an indication that you are looking for one more move up. You are almost looking for, this is your move, you are almost looking for 50% move up. Go for it. Yes, it won't go in a straight way. How it will go, I'll tell you how it will go. It's just a part. Most misunderstand me, it will go in this manner. It will come and tag somewhere, it will 200, it will come out, then it will go, or something like this. Something like this. Yes. Then it will make a correction before heading for a longer period upside move. Okay. So Coforge, yes, you can see, but it's up to you how much you are risk appetite. ये छोड़ दो इसे. डाबर गया बाबर. This is in the sideways. Dalmia. Gale will likely make one more move like this. So it is A, B, C. We are getting one more move like this. Then after that we are getting one more down. This move is coming in the Gale. Gas Authority of India Limited. HDFC AMC, we did warn you. I did warn you on this, and this was very clear evident. There was some issue here, and we made an entry somewhere here at 950, 960, and yes, we covered it somewhere here at 760. ICICI. See, I this is A, this is B, and this is C. You are looking for 2100 ICICI Lombard. After that, you are getting one more. This is impulse. This will become A, B, C correction, and it will come down one more impulse. IDFC. IDFC is a bit of disappointment. What happened here? I'll tell you. It made an impulse, then A, B, C. Now it is going for an impulse. So you have to take a decision. This is very small candle. On daily also it is very feeble, very weak. So you need to wait for at least another 1 or 2 weeks. This one, Indian Energy Exchange. You can buy, you can definitely buy. The issue was here they manipulated here. The SAB has fined them. So whether the manipulation is over or it is still there, we don't know. But you can buy at 121 and it's very fluid. This is very fluid. You can buy on MTF also. You have, say for example, if you buy around 1000, all you need is only 34,000 rupees. Okay, so you can buy. This is coming down. This one, IRDA, it is, I don't know, my friends. It is now due for the one more move up. This move is coming here. That's all I can say. IRFC. Again, IRFC, see, we made entry somewhere at here. We made entry here, break up this 120, 125. We are looking IRFC for one more move. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that. That has changed. We are look 1 second. Let me get this correctly. So what we are looking is IRFC. Don't miss this. If you miss this, you are going to be sorry for your life. We are looking IRFC upgrade at 440. Now, if you have a capacity, it's at 95. We are in at 120. So, we are going to triple the income, but only in equity, because the issue is IRFC is little slow now because it has been giving a dividends. It is giving X date dividend is being given. So when dividends are increasing, the stock will move little slow. ITC, you can say it is now ready, but it is still not ready. ITC, you need to wait for another 1.5 week. That is over. Okay? That is over. 1 minute, please. All right, another 1 minute. Now, if you are into in a geo, make sure you make an entry over here, because we have seen such patterns. It will shoot to 460. अगर कृष्णा जी 460 नहीं गए, अरे यार 370 तो जाएगा, 1:1 तो जाएगा. एन पैटर्न बोलते हैं इसको, 1:1. एन पैटर्न तो जाएगा। 370 के बाद जो भी मिलता है पैसा तुम्हारा है, एंजॉय करो। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय।